TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow down 105. You get the NASDAQ off 28. S&Ps are down 14. We have the gold contract up $2.70, trading at $1,266 an ounce. Gold, folks, is down off a high. Bottom line, though, guess what? They can't back it down. You have silver. Silver's trading at $15.45. You get platinum flat at $9.98. The bonds. Okay, so 10-year note up 22 ticks. 30-year bond up a full 2 points, 5 ticks. Now, they're both coming into the downdraft from Friday. We'll see whether they can make it over that downdraft. They need about 7 more ticks to get it up and over that downdraft. King dollar. King dollar's down 89 ticks, trading out at 96.99. You get the euro at 110. And the yen is trading out here at 112.70. We take a look at this market. What do you have? We go over to the SPY, and what you're going to see is this. Friday, you went higher. We had volume as we went higher. We backed down yesterday with light volume. Guess what? You're going to see a rejection of lower price. You're going to have lighter volume. And this was a phenomenon, folks, okay? And this was really important. Our 8 o'clock in the morning show, listen to it. Why? Because across the world last night, you had the Shanghai down 3.5%. It ended up. The European markets, they were down. They ended up. We've already got the first bounce higher. The NASDAQ, which has been the weakest indice in the last week and a half, guess what? That has the juice out here this morning. The NQs have just gone from 45 down to 17 down. NQs want to get into the positive area. We go over to the gold contract. We take a look at gold. This is what you have with gold. Gold is hanging at the highs up here. The contract itself is trading out at the 1267. You've already done 122,000 contracts. That's going to put the contract value once again at the 200,000 level. You're going into 300,000. Bottom line, they can't back it off. King dollar. We go take a look at King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar just can't handle higher price. King dollar is down 9 ticks. Not that that's a big amount. You're at 96.98. You know, I suspect King dollar is trying to make its way down to the lower swing of 95.52. Now, bonds. This is the number. This is the one that will really tell us where we're going to go. If we take a look at the 10-year notes, this is what you have with the notes. They're strong out here this morning. You've done 600,000 contracts. It's coming right into the downdraft. The seller out there is at 129.21, and that's right where we are right now. That's where the downdraft occurred at 0830 on Friday morning. We'll see whether it can handle that price. Thus far, that was 170,000 contracts on the way down, and on the way back up right now, you get 6,500 contracts. So I suspect that that's the test of that area. We'll see whether it can get up and over that area. I expect that you're not going to get up over that area. Why? Because if we go into the NQs for a second, we take a look at the NQs, what you're going to see inside the NASDAQ is that the NQs hit a low out here today of 42.51. Well, we're already at 42.83. The volume is lighter. That is going to set up a smaller ABC structure on the way up. And I know it's hard to believe, folks, but the bottom line, this market still wants higher price. The NQs right now at 42.83. I expect we're going to be running into somewhere about 4,500. And you know what? I don't think it's going to take that many days in order to do it. Deviance in the marketplace, it's a beautiful thing. We have it right across all the indices. Dow right now is down $113. You get the NASDAQ off 30. S&Ps are off 15. You can see the S&Ps are so much weaker than the NQs, but I suspect what you're going to see here is the NQs are going to drag this market higher. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or log on to everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.